My God, it's so beautiful.
पहाड़ों से.
Wow. This is
Oh my God. I suddenly feel very bad about my life right now.
Well, if you had the kind of internet I have, you won't feel so bad.
That's okay. I'll trade the internet for that view. My God.
So now I guess with Diwali break, we could digest all these things with a lot of sweets that we had. So now it is there in us that okay, now something has happened. A life-changing thing had happened to all of us, I guess.
I feel like all of our collective punya we've received on this show as a lump sum, you know. And I can't take my eyes off Hansal's background.
same.
India has never really seen a genuine financial story, a genuine financial. India Hindi movies में the broadest reference to business or money is ओबरॉय खानदान का एक लौता वारिस और हमारे करोड़ों के कारोबार. So that's pretty much the way you describe business in Hindi cinema.
My favorite scene is it comes in the last episode, 10th episode.
There are two moments I want to tell you about. One is this moment just before Harshad has a heart attack, where the two brothers are sitting together in the prison, and there's these medicines that they are. The brother has come with medicines for him. So I just whispered into Pratik's ears that Pratik, just surprise him. Let's not preempt this moment, just surprise him. And I told Pratham, the DOP, I said, there's something is going to happen, be ready.
Alright, so today I have with me a team जिसको I think मुझे introduce करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, because this is one team that I was eagerly waiting to interact with, and so many people were asking me when are we doing this. We're finally doing this. It's so nice to be joined by the team of Scam 1992, Pratik, Shreya, Sameer sir and Hansal sir. Welcome everybody.
Thank you.
Hello,
Hi.
hello.
So सबसे पहले तो how is everyone doing, with Scam now, which has released, of course, and taking in all the good word that's been coming out, the crazy response that you all are getting. What does it feel like? What is happening? Has the feeling sunk in till now? Because it's been a while since the show release and all of that has happened. तो कुछ अभी थोड़ा ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ मतलब we can finally take it in, or is it still like you have no idea what's happening? Pratik, you want to start?
Yeah, so now I guess with Diwali break, we could digest all these things with a lot of sweets that we had. So now it is there in us that okay, now something has happened. A life-changing thing had happened to all of us, I guess.
Yeah, definitely. Hansal sir, I see in like how we all saw, like when he switched on his camera, like I think I'm only seeing his frame because of how beautiful it looks. Hansal sir, I think you're celebrating the success of Scam 92 and of Chalang also. Congratulations for both of them. So what is happening?
Well, it's a good feeling, at a time when we had been told that the world was sort of shutting down. We have reason to celebrate, and for many reasons. Not only the success. I mean, it was the success of Scam 1992 is, unprecedented for me. After 20 years, to see this kind of love is just simply incredible. But it's also to be able to entertain people in these difficult times. I think we have done something greater than we could have imagined.
Sir, why do you think that this story, I mean, this is like a rags to riches sort of a story, I mean, you see this man coming from nowhere to just making it big, and how, and you just see his success story, which is just so inspiring and something that people have connected with. But why do you think that this kind of a story was sort of needed, or this was the right story to be shown and to be put out?
Hansal?
Yeah, if I've heard the question correctly, I lost the signal.
Okay.
But I think, yeah, the story has resonated. I think primarily because one, it's very relatable. I think the characters, Harshad Mehta himself is a character that reflects the aspirations not only of that time. I mean, these are the times that when Sameer and I perhaps were growing up. Uh, so our times and even today, everybody aspires for to belong to privilege, to belong to a certain to gain wealth quickly. Uh, so I think it's a reflection of all those aspirations, and I think just the collective energy, the writing, the way the show has been performed. In general, I think that uh, has resonated very strongly with the audience. The music. This is a case of every department of you know uh, the show sort of working in tandem. So whether it is beginning with Sameer, who chose the story to tell, who chose the book, and his team sort of finding me to direct the show, me looking for the right actors to play the parts, to collecting the team. All of us together, I think our collective energies were towards telling the same story. Very often what happens is, with so many collective energies, you end up telling different stories. Sameer wants to tell one story, I want to tell one story. But I think collectively we all wanted to tell this story, and we found the tale inspirational and also cautionary. It is also a tale that it's a cautionary tale about greed, morality, about family. So it's so many things rolled into one. I think there's something in it for everyone.
Sameer sir, you know how Sony Live over the months has had some really amazing content. We've seen some very different content, and all of them have been doing so well. But I want to know, why do you think that Scam 92 was, a story that you would want, to be put out on the platform?
Well, actually, the thing is that the content you're referring to on Sony Live, we've given them 4 shows. All of them have come from Applause. So there was first Your Honor, then there was Andekhi, then there was Avrod, and then finally Scam. So these are 4 different kinds of shows that we chose to produce in the last 2-3 years, and sort of bet on that and went ahead and made it. Scam, see, Scam is a story. When the first time when I thought about it, it was too early to make. Then we got hold of the book, met Hansel, and said, let's do it. India has never really seen a genuine financial story, a genuine financial. India, Hindi movies में the broadest reference to business or money is Oberoi खानदान का एक लोता वारिस और हमारे करोड़ों के कारोबार. So that's pretty much the way you describe business in Hindi cinema, right? So this is genuinely a story. It's a real life tale. It's this character, very colorful character. And I think importantly, what happened in this is, to add to what Hansel said, is that this is your quintessential anti-hero, right? This is your angry young man of the 70s. This is your Mr. Bachchan, the young Mr. Bachchan, right? He's got that swag. He's got this thing. Everything about him is, larger than life. I mean, the way Pratik has played this character is, even the simplest thing is filled with swag. It's got that, that thing. And I think from an audience point of view, especially younger audiences, all audiences, you've seen a lot of violence already on the streaming platforms. You've seen a lot of all that. So this comes in as a story of a regular person who goes from zero to hero in a very short span of time, overtaking everyone and doing all of this without as much as, firing a bullet, which is like pretty, it's a very regular kind of thing.
Let's do something interesting. I want to know from all of you. For me, there are, numerous aspects of the show, not just me, but everybody who's seen the show, numerous aspects of the show that people have really enjoyed. I want to understand, I would actually know from all 4 of you, if you could pick out your favorite scenes from the show. It could be featuring Pratik, yourself, or some other scene, anything. If you had to pick out one scene, and maybe if you कुछ हो सकता है कि कोई एक सीन करने में मुश्किल रहा हो, या करने में ज्यादा मजा आया हो, या उस सीन का प्रेप करने में ज्यादा मजा आया हो, anything that sort of just comes into your head when I say like your favorite scene. Whoever wants to go first.
The wine scene. Sucheta Dalal and Harshad Mehta face off for the first time, but I have a couple of other favorite scenes.
Yeah.
Prateek has a fantastic scene he'll talk about.
Okay.
My favorite scene is it comes in the last episode, 10th episode, where
Yeah.
Harshad, Bhushan and Ashwin, why they are all having that confrontation in the cabin. And Bhushan, backstage him. And that's an interesting, very, very interesting scene. In fact, we discussed a lot about that scene, कि इसको ऐसे करेंगे, वैसे करेंगे, we almost slotted the whole day for that. And we finished it off in just 45 minutes.
Oh.
So it's very interesting emotions flowing, very complex emotions flowing. Everybody is betrayed by the other person, and still everybody is, searching for that one. They all want to, give it back to the other person,
Yeah. Yeah.
and they are all right in their own mind. So that's a brilliant thing.
Oh, even when you're talking about all of this, like all these flashes are coming, and I feel like watching all of these scenes again. I think that's the magic that the show has done.
Please do. Please watch it again.
Of course, I think that's the best thing now with OTT. You can just watch it again and again and again. I've done with so many other shows, but I think with Scam, I have to do it. And one of the reasons, obviously, being the music that I've been mentioning all this while. So yeah. But Sameer sir, if you had to tell me one particular scene that would be your favorite, what would it be?
Well, actually, I don't have a particular scene. I love this show so much, and I actually enjoy all the scenes. So I have obscure ones that I like. Like, for example, the one that really sort of stood out for me at one point, I've seen it many times, is the first time when Arshad goes to meet that Ambalal. And, King Ambalal, makes that whole menu, makes him order the menu, and then says, okay. At that point, that very earnest, Harshad trying to, get going in that world is actually the way his character changes, both of them. The early Sucheta and the early Harshad and how their arcs change is very interesting. Even the relationship with that Tyagu fellow, Sucheta herself, and some of those interactions with your Devashish, right?
Yeah,
that relationship with Devashish is like outstanding. So in fact, I told Sucheta that we've played your Devashish really sweetly and cutely, and he's obviously in love with her, but he's the one who did all the hard work. You've just shown me doing all the hard work. But yeah, there are so many scenes like that.
That really took off, the love story. We didn't expect the Sucheta and Devashish love story to get as much notice as it did, but that really took off in a way that we didn't see coming.
Yeah, I agree with you. Hansal sir?
And you have to thank me for that, Shreya.
Yeah. Well, thank you for everything, Babu.
No, that especially, you know what I'm talking about.
I do. Let's not talk about it in public.
Okay, I think there's a secret out there, but okay, we're not going to dive in there.
I also have, too many favorite scenes, but there are two moments I want to tell you about. One is this moment just before Harshad has a heart attack, where the two brothers are sitting together in the prison, and there's these medicines that they are. The brother has come with medicines for him. So I just whispered into Prateek's ears that Prateek, just surprise him. Let's not preempt this moment, just surprise him. And I told Pratham, the DOP, I said, there's something is going to happen, be ready. And at the end of the scene, Ashwin is leaving and Harshad suddenly holds his hand and the two brothers embrace. And they hold each other in a tight embrace. So Ashwin was also taken by surprise. It sort of culminated the arc of brotherhood that these two shared. Throughout, there's rarely a moment where even Harshad puts his hand around Ashwin's shoulder. And just when the end was nearing, he it conveys so much. That this is the person. These two men together. Rose together and fell together. So without each other, they were incomplete. It was, that love story between the two brothers, I think was, I haven't seen such fine brotherhood in our films after Diwar. So we used to keep teasing them. There's a scene in the show where, the character of Pranav Seth calls him, Arey Shashi Kapoor, and so we used to tease them. This was Amitabh Bachchan and Shashi Kapoor, the brother of reason, and the other guy was the angry young man. So that was a running joke.
Thank you so much, everyone. Prateek, Sameer, and Shreya, for joining.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So nice seeing all of you again. Thank you. Bye.
See you. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.